Hello crafty friends, it's Erica, Scrapdivatwentynine. Welcome back to my channel. Happy Saturday. I hope you guys are having a great weekend. I wanted to jump on with a small Tuesday morning haul, so let's get started. I found a few goodies, so I'm really excited for what I found. I did find a couple of paper pads. I found the Girl Squad, and it does have some gold foil on the paper, and it was $2.99. And this is a really cute pad, and I'm sure you guys have seen it, but I'll do a quick flip through. As you can see, there's the gold foil accents on it. Really, really pretty. And I remember when this collection came out, and I remember I wanted it but never picked it up, so now I have the pad, so yay. So I picked up one of those. I did find the Snow and Cocoa paper pad, and I actually do have one of these already. My friend Bridget here on YouTube, she gifted me this set, I don't know, maybe a year or two ago. I can't remember, maybe it was last year. And I still need to play with it, but I went ahead and picked up another pad just because I love the colors, and it's a great price. And I'm hoping to find some more of the Snow and Cocoa embellishments that I've been seeing some ladies haul. So I'm going to be on the lookout for some more of those to go with this collection. I was able to find some more sequins. I found this really pretty green, and it has like little green glitter in it. And then I found this little mix right here. It's like lavenders and blues, and I thought that was really pretty. And these were both $1.99. So fun find there. I did find this Dear Lizzie. It's a stamp and notepad set. So it comes with one of these stamps where you can, it's like the Rolodex stamp, and then it comes with these really cute note cards. And this is what the stamp is. It stamps out all these little words, which I thought were super cute. And I have several types of these little stampers, and I need to remember to pull them out more because they're actually really fun to use. And I'm going to show you how I used one in just a second. I did find this one. This is the American Crafts. It's the Halloween one, and this is what it stamps out right here. Sorry about that. All of those little different sentiments. And this is what the stamp looks like. And as you can see, I've already played with it. I did stamp them out so you could see what they look like, but look how well they stamp. I didn't do a good job inking that one, but that's what it looks like. So really, really cute. And then there's the boo. And they're perfect for small tags. And this is what I'm talking about. I already stamped one out, and I included it on this little tag. I already posted this on my Instagram, so that's why I'm sharing it, but this is going out to my friend, and I wanted to decorate the envelope, so this is how I did it, and I just attached the little tag and stamped out the word boo, and I thought that was super cute, so that's one way you can use it. I did find this textured Impressions embossing folder, and it's the Sizzix candy cane stripe, and it was $1.99. And it looks like that on the back, so I'm gonna play with this for Christmas. This should be fun. And then last but not least, I did find some Christmas sequins, and this is the Wow glitter shapes. It comes with, looks like candy canes, trees, snowflakes, and tiny little gingerbread men, if you can see it. But this should be fun to play with and to make some sequin mixes with. So I was happy to find that. And that is it. That is my Tuesday morning haul. Thanks for stopping by. Leave a comment, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.